By all accounts, the travel training program is a success. 50 seniors were trained in the first year of the program, and that number has been steadily rising. Requests usually start with a telephone call from a senior center or housing facility expressing interest in the program. Staff not only determines the group's interest, noting pertinent information such as the number of participants and the time of year they'd like to travel, but staff offers their own suggestions they feel would make the training a success. Once the route is determined, staff travels the entire route, making a note of all physical elements, such as the location of elevators and how far the walk is from one point to another. Staff then meets with the seniors group about a week before the actual trip to answer questions and discuss exactly what the group can expect on the day of the event. When the day arrives, staff prints out copies of the exact itinerary for all participants to carry with them.
Travel training trips can range anywhere from as few as 4 hours to as long as 8 hours. And we like to think that we're very open and flexible about where seniors like to go. Our goal is to get seniors to use transit and realize that it's safe and efficient and it's there for them.
One of our local seniors, Mr. Denton, has participated in the travel training program. He lives here at Herndon Harbor House, but he often visits Union Station for some shopping and dining. Let's join him as he plans a trip to one of his favorite places. Mr. Denton wants to eat lunch at Union Station around noontime and then perhaps take in a movie after that. To do this, he plans to catch a bus from Herndon Harbor House to Reston Town Center. From there, he'll travel to another bus which will take him to the West Falls Church Metro Station. He'll travel on the Orange Line to Metro Center, then transfer to the Red Line to get to Union Station.
Hello, my name is Chuck Denton. I used to be scared of riding public transportation, but now I'm not so scared. Today I have two people going with me from the Department of Transportation, Dennis and Beverly. Ready to go, guys?
Sure, let's go.
First stop, the Fairfax Connector. Mr. Denton needs to take the RIBS 4 bus from Herndon Harbor House to Reston Town Center. To do this, he needs to understand how to read the bus map.
Well, according to this schedule, the bus comes at 10:35.
That's right, that's the right time. So we're early, and that's a good thing.
He checked various schedules and found that the 10:35 bus will get him to Reston Town Center by 10:59. It will take approximately 24 minutes to make the trip from Herndon Harbor House to Reston Town Center. Because he consulted the fare information on the bus schedule, Mr. Denton knows that the cost for this first leg of the trip is 50 cents. As he boards the bus, he picks up a transfer from the bus driver. He'll present this voucher to the driver on the connecting bus, which will allow him to ride for free. All Fairfax RIBS buses have priority seating for seniors and those with disabilities. Mr. Denton and his travel companions settle back and enjoy the ride.